Good morning, F2, and welcome to today's maths lesson. The first thing I'd like you to do is have a think. What day is it today? Yesterday, it was Wednesday. But what day is it today? While you're thinking about it, let's sign the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So what day is it today? If you said Thursday, you're right. My turn. Today is Thursday. Your turn. Well done. Here's our little warm-up job for today. We already know that our teen numbers need the n sound at the end. Ask your grown-up to listen as you're counting to check that you're saying this right. Today we're going to start from number 6 and count up to number 16. First, we're counting forwards, and that means that our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now let's count backwards. Remember, that means that our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Now let's start counting from 10 and count all the way up to number 20. First, we're going to start at 10 and count forwards. This means that our numbers are going to be getting bigger. Off we go. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's count backwards. Remember, that means that our numbers are going to be getting smaller. Off we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Here's another job to warm up our brains before we get started with today's maths. What I'd like you to do is have a look at the number representations that are on the page. I want you to write down the numeral that these numbers represent. Pause the video while you do that, then come back and we'll look at it together. Okay, now that you've had a go, let's do it together. So here we have a Numicon piece. Did you work it out? The number that it represents is 5. What about this hand? How many fingers can you see? That's right, there are 4. And the last one, how many dots can you see on the dice? I can see that there are 3 dots on one side and 3 dots on the other side. And I know that that makes 6. Well done if you got those right. Now have a go. At this side, pause the video while you do that, then come back and we will check it together. Okay, now that you've had a go, let's do it together. Here I can see 3 dots. Is that what you saw too? Well done if it is. What about that big Numicon piece? What number is that representing? There are 4 holes on one side and 4 holes on the other side. That's right. The number that it's representing is 8. And the last one. Well done. It's 1. Okay, so today we are going to continue learning about circles and triangles and being able to identify them. went on a shape hunt today to find some circles. Now, before I show you what I found and you help me to identify the circles, let's just remind ourselves about the properties that circles have. So a circle has what? Pause the video and talk to your grown-up. See if you can remember what the missing words are from the red sentence. Okay, now let's look at it together. A circle has one curved side. So the circle has one curved side that goes all the way around. Because it only has one curved side, it has no corners. So when we're looking for our circles, we are looking for shapes that have just one curved side. Have a look at these pictures. I looked at some food that I could find around the house. Can you see the circles in these foods? Pause the video and have a talk to your grown-up about all the different circles that you can see. Did you spot them? Let's have a look. So here we have a picture of crumpets. And here is a big circle shape. There are some other crumpets underneath and they are circles too. What about this one? Here is an orange. And this is a circle shape too. It has one curved side that goes all the way round. And here is a bagel. The bagel has one curved side that goes all the way round. And another small circle in the middle. Let's have a look at another one. Oh, here is a donut. The donut has one curved side that goes all the way round, so it is a circle. It also has a circle in the middle, just like the bagel did. Here are lots of biscuits. The biscuits all have one curved side that goes all the way around. They are all circles. Now, after I'd finished looking at the food, I had a look in and around my house. And I found lots of circles there too. Pause the video and have a talk to your grown-up about the different circles that you can see. Now let's look at them together. Some of these are a little bit trickier to spot. Let's have a look at the easier ones first. So here are my dog's food bowls, and they are circles. They have one curved side that goes all the way around, and that makes it a circle shape. Here is the water bowl. This has one curved side that goes all the way around, so it's another circle. Now, down here, you can see some plates, a bowl, and a cup. All of those have one curved side that goes all the way around. They are circle shapes too. The other two pictures are a little bit trickier. Did you spot the circles on the car? I wonder if you spotted the wheel. The wheel has one curved side that goes all the way around, and it's a circle shape. Well done if you spotted that. You might have seen the inside part as well. There is another circle. And what about the petrol flap? Here is the petrol flap, and that has one curved side, and that makes it a circle shape. Now, let's have a look at the clock. The clock's quite tricky, isn't it? Can you spot the circle? That's right. The circle is the one curved side that goes all the way round. Did you spot any other shapes inside the circle? What shapes did you see on the clock? Well done if you said that you can also see lots of triangles. There are large triangles and small triangles. It makes it look quite tricky. Well done if you spotted the circles and the triangles. When I finished looking for circles, I decided to go on a shape hunt to find some triangles. Before I show you the things that I found, let's just remind ourselves of the properties that a triangle has. I want you to have a look at the red shape at the bottom and try and find out what the words are that are missing from the red sentence. Pause the video while you talk to your grown-up about that. Okay, now let's have a look at it together. So we want to know how many sides a triangle has and what kind of sides they are. Are they curved, like the circle? No. Let's have a look at them. We have 1, 2, 3 sides, and all of the sides are straight. So a triangle has 3 straight sides. How many corners does it have? Can you remember? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So a triangle also has 3 corners. Now, first I had a look around my house to see what food I could find that had a triangle shape. Let's have a look. So here is a Dorito. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. It is a triangle shape. What about this one here? Yes, this one is a pizza. It's also a triangle shape. It has 1, 2, 3 straight sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. Now, have a look at the sandwich. This one's a little bit trickier. It has a triangle shape at the top. So here is 1 straight side. Here is another straight side. And here is the last straight side. It also has 1, 2, 3 corners. Now that we've looked at those 3 pictures together, have a look at this great big chocolate bar. Can you spot the triangle on this shape? Pause the video while you do that, then come back and we'll find it together. Okay, well done for having a go. Did you manage to find the triangle shape? It's quite a tricky one to spot. It's here, right at the end. It has 1, 2, 3 straight sides, and it also has 1, 2, 3 corners. Well done if you spotted that. I think I can spot another shape on the Toblerone. Can you see it too? What other shape can you see? I can see a circle. Have a look at the O or the O. It's a circle shape. It has 1 curved side that goes all the way round. Well done if you spotted that too. Okay, then I started to have a look inside and around my house, and I found some other triangle shapes. Pause the video and see if you can spot the triangle shapes. I wonder if you might spot any other shapes too. Okay, now that you've had a look at those, let's see if we can spot the triangle shapes. Let's have a look at the top of the house first. So up on the roof, there is a window. And the outside of the window has one side, two sides, three straight sides. I wonder if it has three corners too. One, two, three corners. So that is a triangle shape. Let's have a look in the garden. Can you spot the triangle shapes there? Oh, look, here is a planter. It has one straight side, two straight sides, three straight sides. Does it have three corners? Let's check. One, two, three. Yes, it does. There are three straight sides and three corners. The planter is a triangle, and so is the one underneath. Let's have a look at these paving stones on the path in the garden. Can you see any triangles? Let's find out. Now, I can see a triangle here. It has one straight side, two straight sides, three straight sides, and let's check how many corners does it have. One corner, two corners, three corners, three straight sides and three corners. So that shape is a triangle. I can see a different looking triangle a little bit further up. Here, look, it doesn't look the same, but I think it might be a triangle. Let's find out. It has one straight side, two straight sides, three straight sides. Does it have three corners? One, two, three. Yes, it does. That's another triangle. I wonder if you spotted any other triangles in the path too. Now, let's have a look at the road sign. And this one's quite a tricky one. I wonder if you spotted the triangle. Now, if we have a look on the outside of the triangle, it doesn't have those pointy corners. So it can't be a triangle. A triangle has pointy corners where the sides meet. These corners are not pointy. But if we look very carefully on the inside, we can see one straight side, two straight sides, three straight sides, and we can also see one, two, three corners. That means that the shape on the inside is a triangle. Did you spot any other shapes in that picture? I wonder if you spotted the circles. Did you see the red circle, the yellow circle, and the green circle? That's right, the traffic lights are circle shapes. They each have one curved side that goes all the way round. Well done if you spotted those. Okay, so here is your task for today. I want you to go on your own shape hunt around your house or on your daily walk when you're getting your exercise. And I want you to see if you can find any circles or any triangles. Now, before we have a look, before you go and get started, let's just have a look at the properties that we need to be looking for to find these shapes. So remember, a circle has how many sides? Yes, one side. And what does that side look like? That's right, it's one curved side, a curved side that goes all the way round. Now, what What about a triangle? What properties does a triangle have? How many sides does a triangle have? That's right, it has one, two, three sides. Are they curved like the triangle, like the circle? No. The triangle has three straight sides. And it also has three corners. Now, don't forget that when you're checking for your shapes, that you make sure it has all of those properties. Now, if you can do that and you find that really easy, I have a challenge for you. Can you find something that has circles and triangles, like I did with the traffic sign? Maybe you can find something too. Don't forget that when you've found your shapes, take a picture and send it to your class email address so that your teacher can see how you're getting on. That's the end of our maths lesson for today. See you tomorrow.